Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact Zomato support? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Zomato application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and set your location, and I'm guessing you've already logged in. Now on the top right, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon. There are a couple of ways you can get in touch with their support. So first thing is going to be your online ordering help support. Simply tap on this right here, and you can simply have a conversation right over here when you write chat with us, and then you can simply go ahead and get in contact with them. So that is the first thing. The second way you can get in touch with them is dining help. As you can see, it's the same thing almost. And the other thing that you can do is simply scroll all the way down and go to send feedback. Now this is another way you can simply contact their support. So those are the three ways you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and